Well, he spent $17,000 on nearly fully carbon fibre wheels.
Sounds correct.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car channel where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the car community on YouTube. Hope you had a great Christmas and you got everything you wanted. And mine was pretty normal. Hung out with the family, chilled out, re-energized, and coming up with ideas for the channel and stuff like that. So hope you did have a very good Christmas indeed. And as I said on Christmas Day, more about hope we all have a great new year and stuff like that as well. On today's episode, guys, we'll be covering DD, Stradman, tavarish, and basically Manny Koshpin, all the big hitters. A lot of catching up to do, so there will be probably, I think, maybe a video every day this week, we will see. Also, guys, don't forget, if you're new to this channel, we're very close to hitting 1,400 subscribers, so we're 6 away. Please do smash the subscribe button. We are going to be announcing as well on New Year's Day the winner of the 2020 Car YouTuber of the Year, which you can still vote for in the link below. Take you 2 seconds, click the link, multi-choice, just vote for whoever you want. Guys, just keep voting. I'm very intrigued to see who comes out on top of this. I haven't looked at it now in a while, but I might check it tomorrow and see. But do please vote, it means a lot because it's just something different that I want to do that nobody else is kind of really doing as well. Also, guys, if you want to come on the channel, I do want to make this kind of a chat show kind of channel on the weekends to chat to you guys. If any of you want to come on and chat about some of your favourite car YouTubers for like half an hour on a Zoom call, I think it'd be pretty dope. I don't see other channels kind of doing that with their subscribers. Hit me up on my Instagram, it'll come up at the end of the video as well. And even follow me on Instagram, guys. We have a Facebook page as well, it all comes up there. So it'd be great to help boost up the Instagram page as well. I would really like that also. So we'll just get into today's video, guys, as well, so I don't drag this shit out of it too much. We'll kick off, as I said, with DDE. So DDE, Dane's come out with their new wheels for their 720S GTR. I'm always going to do that because I know, guys, it's not an official GTR, but it could be a GTR replica. Well, he spent $17,000 on nearly fully carbon fibre wheels. They are gorgeous looking, I really do like them. So I'm just going to show you a quick clip of the wheels on the car first, just so you can check if you haven't seen it yet, which I'm presuming most of you have. Just so you can see what it looks like on the car itself.
So, boom! Those look so incredible. Damn.
There you go, guys. Now, what I want to hear from you is what you think of these wheels on the car. Now, without the tyres on them, when he had them held up with no tyres on them, I was like, wow, they are really sweet. But I think because the carbon is kind of, I don't know what it is, the way I'm looking at this with the way it's done, because of it being a carbon lip, it kind of goes with the, at a glance, it kind of goes with the tyre if you're far away and you don't see the carbon unless you're up close, or whatever way it's coming out of the camera. So it makes it look like the wheel is actually smaller, the alloy wheel is, or rim is smaller than what it is. I think it just sometimes it looks like that. I like my wheels to look, I like less tire, more rim, basically. Oh Jesus. I do like them, but I just think because of the carbon lip, they definitely come off a bit different. They're more flush as well. But yeah, I mean, look, they're lightweight. It's going to make a hell of a difference for him driving the car. He's really made this into truly an absolute beast of a 720 GTR lookalike. Anyway, favorite bit has to be, I've two actually, is the Vorsteiner carbon bit kit, and that chassis wing as well is pretty sick. But DD are just killing it, and as we saw, Dave got an Integra Type R, and they're considering about getting the NSX. So what do you think of them getting the NSX, guys? I know the Integra has been a dream car of Dave for a while. I would rather, well, you wonder, like, with them going into this JDM space thing, you know, how are they going to keep up with all these projects going? I would rather, like, I'm more interested in the NSX than I am with the Integra Type R, but if you got the NSX, that would be a cool project to see. I'd love to see that done. One car I'd love to get, if I could ever get one on this channel, we one of them. So let me know in the comments below, guys. Are you excited for it? Do you like the wheels? All that kind of stuff as well. Next up is going to be Stradman. So Stradman has gone, he was out in LA, I think it was Lamborghini of Newport Beach, and he ended up getting to see an unveiling of the first Lamborghini, I think it's Sian, if you call it, maybe because of my accent. A lot of people unfortunately can't understand my accent. Well, tough shit, I speak as slow as I can, it's just the way it is, guys. But he was there for the unveiling of the Lamborghini Sian, and I must say, the spec of the orange is really not, it's nice, but it's not what I would go for. I don't know what it is with the orange and the Sian. I'm not the biggest orange person, but in fairness, it's a really sweet car. So I'm just going to show you a quick tip here of Stradman getting the unveiling of the Sian for you.
There you go. 3, 3. Wow. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness, that car is so beautiful. Wow. Baby. On the 23rd of December 2020, the Sian has touched.
There you go, guys. Let me know as well in the comments below what you think of it. If you had 3.3 million, would you buy a Sian? Or would you spend it on something else? That's a tough one, you know. With, you know, you have a Chiron Sport out there, Pagani, Huayra, we have another one up there. So many cars that you would want to get. I mean, it is an unbelievably sweet car. I just wouldn't have went with the orange. I think it'd be nice in the blue. Even purple, Stradman's purple would probably be pretty sweet, but it's a lot of money. I think it was the first one on the US soil as well, but it's some piece of machinery. I can't remember the specs of it, but it was great to see it in close detail on camera by Stradman as well. You know, him covering it like he does, because we went back to kind of his old Stradman, covering some of the sweet supercars that you get to see in this channel like the old days as well. So yeah, let me know below, guys, what you thought of it. It was a good video indeed. Next up is going to be Tavarish. So Tavarish's latest video wasn't anything to do with building cars, but the reason I'm bringing it up is because he went away and he's redone one corner of the shop. He has a lounge area and he put in a new TV and did it up, and one particular thing he said is he's making a detailing bay area. And I'm just interested to see what people think of him going down the route of doing detailing videos. It's something he wants to get into, which is great. But would you think it'd be better him off having a separate channel for the detailing on its own, or would you be happy for him to have it on his normal channel as usual? The only reason I'm asking this is because, as we all know, Tavarish goes overboard with buying new projects, and he has plenty of projects there to do to keep him going. I'm just wondering how this is going to tie into his channel, in the fact of finding time to do it, and with, like, being fans that we are, would you be disgruntled that you're not getting to see as much of the projects? Would you want to see more of the projects? Do you want to see detailing? Like, car track takes up a lot of his time as well. Like when he does car track, I think we miss out on a month's worth of footage from him and work that he does, which, you know, you wonder there. Like, I'm just trying to find out off you guys, if you're big Tavarish fans like I am, what you think he should do. I honestly, with him doing car track, with the amount of projects he has, and now he's talking about doing detailing videos, like, you just feel like going to him and saying, look, you're saying you're going to do all these projects, but you're not going to get them finished, so why are you taking on so many projects and not finishing the ones you already have there, and then now you're going to do detailing and you have car track on top of it? It just gets very frustrating when he says he's going to get whatever done for the projects, and then it never kind of really happens. Like, don't get me wrong, I love Tavarish's channel, but now he's announcing doing detailing videos now as well, which is, you just wonder where he's going to fit in the time and how much it's going to take out of us that want to see projects builds lose out on it, you know. So I don't know, guys. I just thought I'd bring it up and see what your thoughts and things would be below on Tavarish about that as well. Next up is going to be Radarosa. He's just made a video about his current Ferrari 518 BBI or 512 BBI. Basically, the previous owner had gotten sick, he'd sent it away to be stored while he was in hospital, and it just seems like at least nearly, I'm not sure if the figure is right, $20,000 worth of miscellaneous kind of small parts of the car gone missing, and the person knew what they were taking. So what's happened is the toolkit was taken from the front of it. That toolkit's worth anywhere between $3,500 to $5,000. A wing mirror was broken, that was bust, that's another $1,500. A hammer, that's worth $300. What else was there? There was a few other bits and pieces that were like $1,500 to $2,000 a piece that are very, you know, expensive and, you know, hard to get. Can't just get them new anymore. So Radarosa's basically like made a video about trying to track down who could have taken these. Obviously the police have been involved, and so the thing about UK police are kind of similar to Irish police. When it comes to stuff like that, they're not going to be, can't see them being too pushed about it. If I was Radarosa, I would just go and pursue down the legal insurance route, try and get money covered for the lost items. But he's asked people to try and go and find them. Now, it'd be great if you found them, but you wonder who took them. You know, it'd be interesting. And it's a great build. I mean, I'm enjoying it. He's come across quite a few problems, but a lot of them are fixable as well. So guys, if you haven't checked out his channel, worth definitely check out to see him doing this build and the amount of stuff he's going through. And it was just an interesting video to see what they robbed, and I was quite like taken back at how much that toolkit was worth. You know, it was crazy. Like, so yeah, I just said I'd bring it up to you guys. Just it's a nuts one, and we'll see if he actually gets these back or what's going to happen with this when this story unfolds as well. Last up on the list is going to be, guys, Manny Cushman. So Manny Cushman has gone away and bought another supercar. The Porsche 911 4S Tegra. Was it the Hermitage edition? I think it is. He has now bought this car, and I mean, I love Targa tops. I really do like them. I really do like them on Porsches. This spec he's got is nice. Wouldn't be the spec I would go for. It's not really, but he sees the value in this car. I think, I looked at him online, I think this car might have cost him anywhere between $180,000 to $200,000 thereabouts, which is nothing for him. Like, you know, that's like going out and buying a $2,000 or $20,000 car for him. You know, it's nothing to him. Like, I'd say he'll hold on to that. I don't know if he'll drive it, but it'll probably go up in value over the next few years, because he's a car collector. When you're a car collector and you have the money he has, you know what's gonna, you know, there's only 992 of these made, so he can always go out and afford to look for these kind of cars that only have a certain amount of them made. He'll hold on to them, and they'll just, you know, appreciate the price as they go along. Like, that's what he does, and that's why he's got such a wicked car collection. No, as I said, it wouldn't be the spec I went for. I'm not too gone on the wheels in it either. I wouldn't say no to one, but just the spec you went for, I wasn't the biggest on it, but it is still a sweet car, you know, indeed. But let me know what you thought of the car if you have seen the video, guys, in the comments below. Is it the spec you would go for? If you had that kind of money for that car, would you have got something different? So that is it, guys. Thanks very much again if you've watched the end, and to all my regular viewers and the legends that comment below that I love chatting to. And as I said, whether it's positive or negative, it is what it is. But as I said, this is a discussion channel, guys, so that's what we do here. We just discuss and give my thoughts and opinions, and you know, hopefully we can get that project car. But until we get bigger, guys, you know, we just need to keep smashing that subscribe button and keep watching the videos and stuff like that. So we'll have a video up tomorrow. I'm not sure what I'm going to cover. We'll see what comes up. But if you've enjoyed it, again, like squad, hit the like button, do comment, all that kind of stuff. And until the next episode, we should talk to you then. So stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.